Hey guys, on this video I want to troubleshoot with you on OpenVPN running on a Raspberry Pi. So probably can't see it here, but I'm not able to connect to my VPN here at home, and it looks like maybe my Raspberry Pi has gone offline. So the looks like the Raspberry Pi is receiving power, so I'm probably going to need to either console into it or remote into it. So to do that, let's see. Got Putty here. Let me kick off Putty. I'll just minimize everything, gives a better visualization. And I think my Raspberry Pi is at this address here. Let's see if we can connect to it. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. Let's try pinging it. That's not good. Alright. So it is not pinging. Let's see if I have any other steps I can take. Alright, so I'm checking my router to make sure that this address is listed there, and I'm not seeing it. So let me go back and check the Raspberry Pi to make sure that not only is it getting power, but it has a active network cable, and I'll be back. Okay, so it looks like it did have power and it did have network connectivity. However, it looks like it locked itself up. I was able to connect it with an HDMI cable to a display, and it was completely locked up. Nothing was on the screen. So it required a manual hard reboot here. So now, hopefully, we can ping it, perhaps. Alright, yes. So now it is coming back online. Let's see if we can see anything. That's not good. Which RealVNC am I running? Oh man, I wonder if I need RealVNC. Alright, stand by for a second. Alright, I think I'm using the wrong VNC. I think I need a RealVNC. That's what I need then. We'll just download the Windows one. Looks like this is the Shaw. So stand by for. Alright. So just to confirm, there's a quick little. If you have PowerShell, you can confirm that that hash matches. I believe it is get file hash. Actually, CD into my downloads. CD users. Downloads. Alright. So in this, I should see my I should see VNC. All right, there it is. Yeah, VNC. So to confirm that this hash on the website matches what I just downloaded, I believe we use get file hash. Hopefully that is a valid command. Yes, it is. All right, and then we are going to target VNC, and we want to format it. Format list. All right, so I need to confirm that this 6D2637 ending in 135599 matches correct. So this is a legitimate download. It has not been tampered with. So we'll go ahead and run it here. Get the entire features with the desktop shortcut. Confirm the UAC. Alright, finish that. So now do have UltraVNC or RealVNC. Let's go ahead and pin it to taskbar. Alright, there it is now. Do not want to send. I want to go to 10.0.0.250. That's the one. Confirm. All right. What is username and password? I believe is this, and maybe this. Oh, awesome. All right, cool. So this is our VNC desktop for the Raspberry Pi. So I probably should be able to connect to my VPN right now, but I want to go ahead and check for updates on this, and I could actually SSH into this too. So now if we open up Putty and try to access this, yeah, now it's asking me for the thumbprint, and then I can log in. And does it take my? Does it let me paste? Special command. Nope. Nope. I need to type in the password itself. I'm not gonna do it right now but I could just type in my password and then I will be able to SSH into it. But for right now, now that we're logged in, what's a good thing to do is every once in a while is to run the sudo update to make sure that everything is up to date and there are no patches that I'm missing, which is I probably am missing some, which is why it probably it fritzed. The system kind of cratered on me and crashed. So I'm gonna run sudo. Is there a way to make this bigger? Zoom in. Let's see. Let's go to preferences. Font. Here we go. Let's make this like 14. Awesome. Perfect. A lot easier to read. So we're going to run sudo @-get update. And let's see. Oh, did I type it in wrong? Yes, I did. Sudo, not sudo. All right. Alright, so it's going out there, and yeah, it is finding a few packages that need to be updated. Alright, so we're going to let this run. It looks like it's done. Great. So the next one command is sudo apt-get, and we want to upgrade this time. Our DPKG was interrupted. Let's run sudo dpkg. Right. So it wants me to run sudo dpkg configure -a. Alright. And now we can run sudo apt-get upgrade. Well, that's a new one. I did not realize that I needed to run this command. I'm glad we got this error. So I am going to see if I can copy this and paste it into my notes. Alright, so we just learned something together. So after you run the first command, which is sudo apt-get update, you're going to need to run sudo dpkg space --configure space -a. And then you'll be able to run the sudo apt-get upgrade. So we will confirm that and let it do its thing there. It looks like there are a few new libraries, which makes sense. I believe like the last time I updated this was a few months ago. But generally, you're supposed to do this. I would say I think I'm supposed to do it every month at least, and I have not kept up to that schedule. But hopefully, moving forward, I'll run these updates on a more consistent basis. And then probably once this is done, I'll go ahead and run the sudo reboot command. And then I'll test VPN connectivity using the OpenVPN application to make sure that I can connect from the outside. Alright, so this, I'm not quite sure how long this is going to take, but I'll go ahead and pause the video and I'll come back. Alright, so it has completed here. So I'm going to go ahead and reboot it. I think there's a couple ways I could do it. I could either click down here and do shut down and then restart. But since we're getting more familiar with the command line, let's run sudo reboot. And we're going to lose connectivity here, which is normal, but hopefully it comes back up. And I'll go ahead and pause the video and we'll wait. Sweet. So it looks like it's back up here. So I am going to hop on my other machine and try to connect to it. And we are connected. Perfect. So can close out of this. Close out of this. And I believe we will end the video here. I hope that was a little bit informative for you. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video. Take care. Bye.